Hello friends, welcome to Legal Learning. So in this video today I'm going to deal with UGC NET previous year question paper. I'm solving question paper of 2021 and this is part 3 of the video. For part 2 and part 1 and part 2 you can check my playlist of UGC NET, and in this video I'm going to discuss about question number 21 to question number 30 only, and this is part 3. For other questions you can go through a part 4, part 5, part 6 in the playlist respectively. So and this is question number 21. Now it talks about question of contract of guarantee. In a contract of guarantee under the Indian Contract Act 1872, there are how many contract and how many parties? So guarantee, there are one is principal debtor, another is creditor, and another is surety. So there are 3 parties and 3 contracts. This is very basic question and very easy question from a special contract part. So this is 22. So in case of uncertain goods, the property in goods passes to whom? Uncertain. That means goods that are not certain or that are not fixed. So the when the parties, what is the answer? The answer is when goods are ascertained. When the goods are ascertained or fixed, then the goods will pass to the party. Property in goods will pass. Very basic question. 23 is where the money received from a third party by the firm in the ordinary course of business is misapplied by one of the partners to his own use. Then now imagine this is a firm. Okay, 1, 2, 3, these are partners. Here one thing you need to note, partnership is not a separate legal entity. So that means the collectively the partners are called firm, and it is not a separate legal entity just like company or organization. So now if there is money received from a third party gave money to one of the member of the firm, that means one of the partner, and the money in the ordinary course of business, that means that money given for the purpose of business, and the money has been misapplied by one of the partners to his own use. Then what will be the liability or remedy? Defaulting partner alone is liable for the same. Third party has no remedy. Firm is liable for the same. Firm is not liable for the same. So just think what will be the answer. The answer is simple. Firm is liable for the same. The entire firm will be liable for the same. Then 24. Who among the following can remove the name of company for register of companies on suo motu basis in terms of section 248 of the Companies Act 2013? Companies Act is important. 2013 recent. There's section 248 subsection 1, it talks about, and who can remove the name of company from register of companies suo motu on suo motu basis in terms of section 248(1) of Companies Act 2013. This question is also very basic and easy. The answer is registrar of companies. SEBI has no role in this regard. National Company Law Tribunal has also no role. Ministry of Corporate Affairs, you can just use a common sense, just basic knowledge, and you can get the answer, eliminating all the things. Then 25. Which one of the following is not a primary source of Muslim law? We know Sunnat is sources of Muslim law. Ijma is source. Qiyas is source. URF, this is not the primary source of Muslim law. Primary sources, talk about primary. 2 sources are there, primary and secondary. Then question number 26. Originally under the Hindu Marriage Act 1955, divorce was based on what? Originally, okay? Hindu Marriage Act 1955. Year is 1955. Other act relating to the Hindu personal law, these are Act of 1956. Only Hindu Marriage Act in 1955, and Special Marriage Act is 1954. Divorce was based on which theory? Consent, breakdown, fault, or will theory? Just think. Okay, originally it was based on fault theory. And another thing I'm going to say, this question is very important, so don't forget this question. It is repeated many times, and question relating to this has been repeated many times. 27 is which among the following judgment does not deal with the need of enactment of uniform civil code in India? Now this is little bit controversial. UCC, uniform civil code in personal law. We have uniform civil code in civil law, just like CPC, specific relief act, etc., contract act. But in case of personal law means the law that applies to a person or class of person irrespective of territory. Personal law is different from the law applies to the territory, that means territorial law. Now DPSP Article 44 deals with UC, Uniform Civil Code. Now in which case it was held that, in which judgment it was held that the following judgment does not deal with the need of enactment of UCC. That means which case is unrelated with UCC. So the answer, this question is also not tough. You can just eliminate most of the options and you'll get the answer. Sarla Mugdal, Ahmed Khan, these are relating to personal law, right? So answer is Ashok Hurra versus Rupa. Hurra. Hurra is not relating to UCC. So 28. Which of the following judgment do not deal with the matter of live-in relationship? Live-in relationship. So which one? 28 is okay. Now we need to exclude the case which is not related with living relationship. So Sarda versus Dharampal. This is the answer. Now how you'll know this is not relating to living? Dharam. That means conservative. Something that is conservative. Living is against conservative. This case is not relating to living relationship. That's all. The rest cases are relating to it. So you have to remember other cases also. Indra Sharma versus KV Sharma. Both last surname is Sharma. One is Indra, another is KV Indra. And then S Khushbu versus Kaniyammal. Then for Chinmunia versus Chinmunia Kumar Singh. So names are similar. Indra Sharma versus KV Sharma, S Khushbu versus Kanyamal, Chinmunia versus Chinmunia Kumar Singh. Then Sarda versus Dharampal is not relating with this thing. You can separately study these cases. It will enhance your knowledge and it's very important. Current thing. This is important. 29. The Supreme Court of India recognized the significance of intergenerational equity. It is relating to the environmental law. Intergenerational equity, that means I am current generation. There are resources, conventional, unconventional. Conventional are renewable. Non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are coal, petroleum, natural gas, etc. These resources are exhaustible, that means limited, and we need to use these resources in a manner that my second generation, my next generation can also use it. I should not overuse it. I should not exhaust it. I should reserve it for my next generation. So this is called intergenerational equity. The next generation also has the right over the natural resources. Held the government department's approval to establish forest-based industry to be invalid one of the following cases. Which case? 29. Just think 29 is okay. The case is State of Himachal Pradesh versus Ganesh Wood Products. Ganesh Wood Products. Done. Vellore citizen is relating to environmental protection, obviously. So MC Mehta is you know. So the answer is this one. 29.1. 30. The preamble to both Environment Protection Act and Air Prevention and Control of Pollution, Environment Protection Act 1986, Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act, were passed to implement the decision reads in one of the following. What is San Francisco 1945 or United Nations Conference? United Nations Conference. All are. This is how similar these are. How you might get confused. So you have to read it properly. United Nations Conference. All are UN's conference. On. Okay. One is environment and development. Another is human environment. And the last one is environment. And years are different. One is 1992, 1972, 1982. So which is the correct answer? Just pay close attention to this question, because if you learn this question, you can answer other questions as well. Okay, so the answer is for United Nations Conference on Environment. Oh, no, it's not that. The answer is C. It is Stockholm Declaration. The answer is United Nations Conference on Human Environment 1972. United Nations Conference on Human Environment. It is Stockholm Declaration. 1972 is Stockholm Declaration. Done. So this is all about this video. In the next video I'll deal with question number 31 to question number 40. Till then, please do not forget to share, subscribe, and please check my playlist where other videos are also available. Thank you. Thanks for watching.